What's up friends, Andrew here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check how long your battery will last. Now if you look on the uppermost right hand side of my screen, you can see my battery life, right? But this is just a percentage. It doesn't tell you how long your battery will last. But in order to know this, just simply do a swipe up and then you want to search for settings, or you can use the searcher and type in settings and you will find the settings. You can open that. Now scroll down to battery, and from here you will see your battery information. So you can see that my phone is currently 83%. It will last 3 days and 11 hours. And of course it can also show you how long a full battery will last for, 4 days and 4 hours. And this is also a good indicator for you, because the longer you have your phone, you will see how the battery life is doing. And after some time, you will also notice that the phone battery life will get lower and lower and lower. So this will give you an indicator of how long your phone battery life has to live when you currently have it at a full charge. There's quite a lot more information here that you can go through to see about your battery. So you can simply go through the settings here and see quite a lot more information about your battery. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.